So here's how to fix Marvel Rivals high ping network issues and packet loss. So first what you can do is when you are in the game, you can simply pick the server that is the closest to you, which will have the best ping available. So and next what you can do on the Windows side is right click on the Windows logo, go to settings, and in here go to network and internet, click on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. And in here you want to edit the DNS, so click on edit, set it to manual, enable IPv4 and use this preferred public Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. Now for the alternate DNS we want to use 8.8.4.4. Next click save. Now you can simply go back and search for Windows Defender or Defender Firewall. And in here you can either turn the firewall temporarily, or you can allow an app through firewall and add Marvel Rivals in here and check it if it's not checked. Also check public and private settings in here. If it's not in the list, you can click on allow another app and then browse to Marvel Rivals installation folder, which is usually under Steam Apps Common, and you should see the file here. Double click on it and select the exe and then click open and click add to add it to this list and make sure it's checked along with private and public. Now click OK. Next we want to close this and then run the command prompt or CMD or terminal for Windows 11 as admin. You can also search CMD here and open it as admin, which is the same. Now in here we want to run ipconfig /release and then ipconfig /renew and then ipconfig /flush DNS and then press enter, and then you can simply close this command prompt. And now we want to right click on the Windows logo, go to settings, and in here we want to go to system display, and then we want to go to advanced or graphics section. And in here we want to make sure the Marvel Rivals exe or game or app is added to this list. Now if you don't see it here, you can click on add desktop app button and then navigate to Steam install path and Steam apps common folder, and you should find it inside there. Select the exe, then click on add. Now once it's added to this list, you can simply press the drop down arrow and make sure you select the GPU preference and set it to high performance GPU or your GPU, such as this one. Now make sure you disable the optimizations for windowed games. Make sure it's turned off, and then you can simply close out of this window. And now you want to launch Steam again. And what you can do in here is right click Marvel Rivals property and under general launch options, make sure you're using -DX11 for the optimal experience using DirectX 11, which seems to be more stable. Now you can close this and try to launch Marvel Rivals again. Now another solution for the ping is to use an external software to improve ping. So the link for the software is going to be in the description, which is this one right here. Now it supports Marvel Rivals, so you can simply download it and sign in or create an account if you don't have already, and you should be able to try it for a few days for free to see if it improves your pings. It usually improves the ping by about 20 to 30% from your original ping. So you can simply click on the download using the link below to download it and test it for free. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.